Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software on PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to optimize your CapCut video editing software for fast and smooth video editing workflow on your PC. Whether you are using Windows PC or Mac, consider to follow this step to optimize your CapCut for fast and smooth video editing in CapCut PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on setting icon, and then go ahead and navigate to settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to performance right here. Under the performance tab, there are things you need to enable right here, which allow you to edit your video smoothly and quick rendering of your project in CapCut. So one of them is encoding and decoding. Make sure you speed up your hardware encoding right here, and at the same time make sure you speed up your hardware decoding right here. Then next thing you want to do right here, and make sure that rendering interface with GPU is also checked, which allows the CapCut to make use of some of the part of your graphics card on your PC. And then come down to auto optimization right here. Go ahead and click on here and choose smart optimization right. Then proxy right here. So what you need to do, turn it on to edit smoothly and fast without losing the quality of your video. Make sure this is checked right here. Then scroll down right here, and then continue to scroll down, and then here automatically render the selected part of your video to make the preview smoother. So this is by choice, you can leave that. And lastly, come to auto clear cache right here. You can change the cache file format to about 2 or 5 gig, which means that it's not going to cache file is not going to consume more storage space on your PC. However, you can decide to put any figure of your choice. I'm going to put it about just 4 right here. So lastly, come down below right here and make sure you click on save. Then once you click on save, you are done with your CapCut video editing optimization. The next thing you want to do is to do the optimization on your PC. So if you are using Windows PC, whatever version of Windows PC you are using Windows 11, come down below right here in the startup menu, click on your startup menu. If you are using Windows 10, just go ahead and locate your startup menu. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do from here is to go ahead and make sure you look for system right here. Under the system, navigate to display. Then from display right here, scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to graphics. Go ahead and click on that. Just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure that you have CapCut app right here. However, if CapCut is not here, it means that you still need to optimize your CapCut software app with the graphics card you have on your PC. And for that, what you want to do here is to go ahead and navigate to Add Desktop App. Click on that. And this window here is going to pop up. Go ahead and go to Desktop. Then come down below right here and make sure you look for CapCut shortcut. Then go ahead and click on Add right here. Now you have CapCut right here now. Next thing you want to do is to click on here, and then this is going to pop up. Then here, make sure this is turned on. Then here, GPU performance right here. Click on here, and then make sure you choose to high performance Intel HD graphics 5500. This is because this is exactly Windows version I'm using and the graphics quality I'm using on my Windows. However, from your own end, it may be another one. Just make sure you choose the high performance graphics dedicated on your PC. It's that simple. So you are done with your CapCut PC optimization without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.